A lot of growers think any cold snap will turn your buds from green to purple, but there's an exact science to this, and getting the timing wrong can actually ruin your harvest. So I'm going to be showing you the precise temperature method that works every single time. What's up, Harvest House family? Today I'm going to be breaking down the only method I use for purple cannabis. Just controlled temperature drops. No fancy equipment, no risky techniques, just proven temperature science. All right, so the science behind this it's pretty simple. The purple color, it comes from anthocyanins, which is the same compound that's found in blueberries and red wine. And so when the temperature drops, your chlorophyll production slows down a lot, and these purple pigments will show a lot. But a lot of growers, they will think that you can just have a cold day here, and then a slightly warmer day the next day, and another cold day. But no, you need to have a constant cold stress. It's got to be like a week or 2 weeks, not just a random temperature swings, temperature drops. It's going up high, going up low. No. The plant has to believe that winter is coming to trigger the survival response and bring out these purple pigments. So when doing this method, you want to wait until your trichomes are around 30 to 40% milky, because if you do them while they're still pretty much all clear, your plant's not really that mature, and it's going to really stress it out. And harvest, it's going to damage your harvest. So for example, I run around 70 to 75 during the day, and 55, 60, low 60s around nighttime. And you're just going to want to stick to that around 10 to 15 degrees. And if it's too cold, it's going to ruin it. If it's not cold enough, the temperature difference isn't enough, it's going to not bring out the purple, or it won't bring it out as much as you possibly could have. And your timing is everything with this. So you start too early, you're ruining your harvest, but you start too late, then you're not getting any purple out. So you just wait until it's around 30% milky trichomes, and then start bringing that temperature down. Without doing it that way, it'll stress your plant, bring out the purple, and not sacrifice your potency. I cannot speak. And if you're doing this correctly, after about a week of consistent cold temps, your fan leaves should start to turn purple on the edges and your stems. Come week 2, your sugar leaves should start turning purple. Then week 3, your buds, the calyxes, will actually start to turn purple, and you'll get a nice purple plant. Now, some mistakes that you want to avoid is dropping your temps too fast, dropping them too low, and inconsistent temperatures. So say your daytime 75 and you drop it all the way down to 45. No, your buds, they'll to be purple, I guess, but they'll be pretty weak, pretty not potent at all, and they'll be pretty airy. Same thing as like when you get really, really hot, your buds will be airy. When you get really, really cold, your buds will be airy. So you don't want to do that, and you need to have it consistent as well, because plants, they thrive off of consistency. They do not like tacos on Monday, pizza on Tuesday, hamburgers on Wednesdays. They just want straight tacos all week. So just keep that in mind. Now, it is strain dependent, but pretty much every strain has that purple recessive gene in it. And I mean, you might do it with one strain and you get like a really deep purple, do it with another one and you just get a little purple, but it's okay. And it also, it's not like it does anything for your high or your treatment, I guess. I don't want to say, YouTube doesn't really like that, but it's more so of a bag appeal thing, make it look cooler. I personally love the way purple plants look. They're beautiful, but green ones are beautiful as well. It's a beautiful plant in general. But that's really all it. You just want to keep that 10 to 15, 20 at the very most temperature degree difference from your daytime temps to your nighttime temps. And let me know what you guys are doing down below. Have you guys tried this before? What's your temperatures looking like? And subscribe for more educational content. Peace out.